Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to activate, deactivate additional fields in the registration form. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Now go to Front-End drop-down and Login Registration. Now change Show I Am Select field to Yes. Click Save. Now go to Configuration and Cache Performance. Go to Cache tab. Click on Clear. Now click on Start Process to compile the changes. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.